x minus 1 over x squared into e to the power of x integration. First of all, you need to divide x minus 1 from x squared term. Okay, then you can write x over x squared minus 1 over x squared into e to the power of x dx. X over x squared you can write as 1 over x minus 1 over x squared into e to the power of ex. Then you should remove the bracket. Okay, so you can write as e to the power of x into x minus e to the power of x over x squared dx. Then you can get integration sign separately. First one e to the power of x over x, second one e to the power of x squared dx. E to the power of x over x, you can write e to the power of x to the power of x minus 1 dx, and you can hold e to the power of x over x squared dx. Okay, for e to the power of x, x minus 1 dx integration, you can use integration by parts theory. Okay, e to the power of x integration you can write as e to the power of x, hold x to the power of minus 1, then minus integration sign e to the power of x into differentiation of x to the power of minus 1, it means minus 1 x to the power of minus 2 dx. Integration e to the power of x squared dx. Then you can write e to the power of x minus 1. You can get minus 1 as a constant term, then minus into minus 1 e to the power of x minus 2 dx minus e to the power of x squared dx. E to the power of x minus e to the power of x minus 2 you can write as e to the power of x over x squared dx, and you can cancel out x e to the power of x squared dx term integration for e to the power of x squared dx integration term. Okay, then you can get e to the power of x minus e to the power of x into x minus 1